thing I took was when I hit the ground. And I'm like a dog that's been beat too much till you spend half of your life just covering up now. Born in the USA, I was born in the USA, I was born in the USA, but now I'm leaving the country because of a guy called Donald Trump. Sail away from the US of A. Sail away from the US of A. Sail away from the US of A. Sail away. I'm driving in my car. I turn on the radio. I'm listening to Donald, and I have to say no, 'cause I really don't like him, because man, he is a liar. So I take out my Molotov cocktail and fire, fire. Hey Donald, burn, burn, yes you're gonna burn, 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 yes you're gonna burn, 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 yes you're gonna burn, burn.
Braucht keinen Freund, kein Kokain, braucht weder Arzt noch Medizin, braucht keine Frau, nur Vaseline und etwas Nitroglycerin. Ich brauch Geld für Gasolin, explosiv wie Kerosin, mit viel Oktan und frei von Blei. Ich verbrenne in meinem eigenen Benzin. Race against the machine, we will all be killed by all things green. Hey Till Lindemann, du verbrennst in dein eigenes Benzin. Burn, burn, yes you're gonna burn. Burn, burn, yes you're gonna burn. Burn, burn, yes you're gonna burn. Burn, burn.
You can't start a fire. You can't start a fire without a spark. You can't start a fire. You can't start a fire without a spark. This gun is for hire. Even if I'm just a dancer in the dark. Even if I'm just a dancer in the dark. Even if I'm just a dancer in the dark.